This is a very special night for me because I really want to introduce you to somebody who I actually Instagram today. She is part of our household help, and in Philippine culture, we hire household help, but we treat them like family. So I really just want to give this time to honor and thank our nanny from when I was a child. I call her Nanay Tina, and she's the most unpredictable choice for the Netflix Filipinas, but the most apt for me.
And here she is with us this evening. Let's all give Nanay Tina a huge round of applause.
The reason I chose her, is because she is really my guiding light. The woman who really also stood in as my mother when my mother was busy working. My mother entrusted me to her growing up, and she writes me handwritten notes, handwritten cards, very well thought out, every month or every time she sees me. And I don't see us really honoring our household help, the ones that have devoted their lives to us, the ones that have really committed to the home. You understand me naman, diba? So those who really committed their lives. How's your boyfriend mo na? How's your love life? Yeah, so anyway, she never married anymore, and she considers all of us her children. So a lot of us can relate to this situation, and we all have our Nanay Ninas in our lives. So I wanted to really put the spotlight on her. And Nanay, thank you so much for all your love and your devotion, your unconditional love and service to our family, Nanay. Thank you.
And just so everybody knows, this was a surprise. Nanay Tina did not actually expect to be on stage. She thought she was just coming here to support Casey tonight. So, surprise!